it's Sierra and welcome back to my channel! Okay guys, today is a day, and you know what? Let's start this off real quick. I want to be the type of YouTuber that people can relate to and know that every day is not going to be your best day. I'm not going to be jolly every day, but what I am going to do is always make sure that my content is positive and creative, and that you guys also, when you don't have good days, can look at my videos and be inspired and be happy. But here's the couple of things that I'm not happy about today. Number one is that I bought this Natasha Denona palette. You thought it was gonna be like real intense. No, it's... Look at this. It's broken. Like the actual case, you see that? It's broken. It's literally broken. Number two is that I put on this wig because I used to really love this wig, and I think that what had happened is that I am not a wig taker carer of her. That's the thing. I'm not a wig taker carer of her. And now my wig looks like Whitney after she did a couple too many with Bobby. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm trying to say here. So let's recap. My Natasha Denona palette that I've never used is broken. Secondly, it's out of stock. And third of all, I look like But thank you guys for showing up and coming to my channel. I really appreciate you guys so freaking much. You have no idea, holy shit. Let's get into this video, dude. Woo-wee. This is just gonna be a chit chatty get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere. Definitely not with this wig on. I don't understand. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Ignore my wig. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, whatever, we're moving forward. Anyway, I'm gonna try out the new Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. You know, I wasn't gonna buy this little sucker, but you know, Instagram is just, I just can't with Instagram. The scent is great. It's not too overpowering. We're gonna have to put this Whitney wig behind our ear or something. I'm gonna be using the Natasha Denona Lila palette. We just went through that. My broken palette, and I'm just going to mind my business and talk to you guys. What's going on in my world? Let's talk about what's going on in your world. What's going on in your world? I want to know. Guys, leave me comments. Let me know what's happening. I really want to know you guys. I really don't want you to just be subscribers and like not talk to me about stuff. Like, I want to know. And I think that's kind of like the empath in me. I can pick up things that a person is going through or a person has gone through, yeah, by talking to them. It's kind of harder if it's like not in person, but in person, yeah, I can pick up a lot of vibes. Let's just call them the vibes. And sometimes people think it's kind of weird. And I don't really talk about it that much because I think it is kind of weird too, and I don't want to weird people out. So yeah, that's one of the weird things about me. Like, I was talking to my therapist about this, right? And I was saying, like, people say that Disney World is like the happiest place on earth, right? You know, that's the thing, like the happiest place on earth. But like, doing videos is legit my happiest place on earth. It is literally the best part of my entire day, aside from like spending time with like my kids. Like, oh my gosh, my boys are, I mean, everybody says they're right about their kids, but like, my kids are special. My day has been just as rough as this eye look is going. Do you see that I have like a bunch of bumps right here? I was trying out a new eyeshadow palette, which I will not mention because it's not worth mentioning, but it broke me out. If you really want to know, you can DM me and I can tell you. We're not about to have bumpy eyelids. That's not a thing. Ooh, look at this color. Okay. Okay, Natasha. I always say this, like, YouTubers are kind of like the misfits. Like, we're the kids that like didn't have any friends growing up. Like, we weren't the cool kids, and then like we became creative because we didn't have anybody else to talk to. So we are really weird, and that is kind of, I think, what is kind of cool about all. I think honestly a lot of YouTubers are just strange individuals. I think we all are kind of weird. You know what I mean? Like, it's a little weird to just talk to yourself in a box. You know what I mean? Like, do you understand that? Like, do you understand how like weird that is? Like, I love talking to myself in a box under lights. So now that the eye look is just as bad as our hair, and honestly, I mean, you really can't really make a Natasha Denona palette look really bad. However, seems like I've managed to do so. Okay, let me fix it. Let me stop. Let me, hold on, pause. Okay, that's cute. That's cute once you smoke out the bottom. That's not my shade. That's not my shade. That's not my shade. That's not my shade. Look how yellow I am, guys. Get your double chin, I'm talking to you. Look how light this is. I can't. This is just gonna just be a shit of a show. Yeah. What are you concealing? Nothing. I don't know. Is it just me? Especially on this side, like, look at that. I'm starting to look like a clown. My first impressions of this concealer, I say it's shit. Did you guys watch my 5-minute makeup challenge video? I like doing that video so much that I think I want to do more challenge videos, like literally weekly. It made me laugh so hard. It was so freaking funny, and I failed at it, and it was awesome. What do you guys think? Would you guys be down for me to do like a weekly challenge, like makeup challenge? I'm totally down. Like, so down. Guys, I'm a mess. I don't know what's wrong with me. Hold on to your horses. We're about to get real ugly in here. Another fun fact, I actually know how to ride horses. Ashes, looking for my lashes. This is the finished. Oh, it's not funny anymore, guys. It's not funny. Like, this is my finished look. Oh, man. My liner. I'm blotchy. Oh, my wig. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Like, I'm done. I can't let you see me like this anymore. I'm so sorry, guys. I'll be better next time. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me and sticking it out with me and watching me just be an absolute mess. I really appreciate you guys. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me acting a complete fool. Thank you so much, and I love you guys. Peace! Look at the back.